XStar came out, how did it affect your life?
I think we'd all agree that the XStar has truly become an iconic product over the years. Ultimately, what does the XStar name mean to you guys?
It means Zane Schwenk, Parks Bonifay. It means the generation before, what they built and helped build to give me a career. So progression and history, and XStar is my life.
The XStar in my mind is iconic is because it truly changed and allowed the sport to go in the direction it needed to go. I just remember getting a ProStar 190 was like the first thing. It was direct drive. It was a 190. It was
a ski boat.
I would literally get a leftover ski boat from Cypress Gardens.
Yep.
Every couple months, and that's what I had, and I would dump those 50-gallon barrels in there. And so I was sitting with John Dorton at the Cypress Gardens Stadium, and I think he was like VP of marketing at the time, and I said, what if we move the engine to the back? And he's like, that's a good idea. And about 6 months later, they brought me up, and they had this. I'd never seen a boat like cut up, wood, plywood everywhere. I'm like, what the heck is this
what,
thing?
like 96?
It's like late 96, maybe 97, right around there, I think.
Swapping the engine for the 50-gallon drum, I think was a no-brainer right there, and it just made the boat naturally sit so much heavier in the back. And like you were saying earlier, and it allowed. I think one of the biggest things you realize is that the engine's not in the middle. There's not an island engine in the middle of the boat. And if you've been in ski boats and stuff, even if there's 4 or 5 people in there, people are almost sitting on the sides of the boat. So what it just did is it opened up so much more room in the inside of the boat, allowed you to load up the boat with way more friends, and the community and the camaraderie, I feel like that grew along with the weight getting better and like everything just being easier and making more sense. I think like just having the family and your friends so much closer together and comfortable really just changed the future game for it.
You go somewhere and you talk to this family, and you talk them into buying like the most expensive thing they've ever bought, right? And it's going to change your life, right? And they're like, yeah, whatever, he's just saying this. That's what they told Parks to say. That's what they told Zane Steele. It's the truth. They come back to the boat show the next year, and they're like, you're right.
Yeah, best summer ever.
My kids and I had the best. They laughed when I fall. They all participated. They put their iPads down. To me, what the XStar did to change the sport is just...
Can't put a price tag on that.
Nah, can't.